Hi, this is Erin Chase from MyFreezEasy, and I want to show you where and how to look at the different categories that we have available in the web app. These categories are also available in our mobile app, and you can see them here. So we have a group of categories by type of protein. So there's chicken, ground beef, other types of beef, stew beef or beef roast, pork chops, other cuts of pork, typically pork roast or pork tenderloin, seafood recipes, as well as a vegetarian recipes category. We also have by cooking method, so you can see we have slow cooker, freezer to slow cooker meals, freezer to instant pot, freezer to saucepan or Dutch oven, recipes you can bake, recipes you can reheat or cook in the skillet, grill recipes. We also have a category for one dish meals where everything is cooked in the same dish, as well as some lunch recipes, and a dump dinners category which is very little prep time. You're just dumping ingredients together into bags or trays and putting the meals into the freezer. And finally, we have the dietary preferences, including the saved meal plans and my favorites. We have those videos here in another section of the support. We have gluten-free, dairy-free, gluten, dairy, soy-free, Whole30 and paleo, compliant recipes, top 8 free recipes, the top 8 most common food allergens. Those are all top 8 free, as well as a category for keto recipes. To get to the recipes in each of these, just tap on it and you will see the recipes in that category. You can build a meal plan with recipes from one specific category or any and all categories. You can bounce back and forth between categories to create the perfect meal plan for you.